Hi everyone, welcome to Aeon Laser USA Tech Sessions. Today we're going to show you how to arrange your optics inside your Nova laser head. You will need a microfiber cloth, a compatible alternative lens, and powder-free nitrile gloves to get started. First, you'll place something under the laser head to catch any small pieces. Then remove the air hose from the air fitting on the laser head. Next, on the left side of the laser head, loosen the thumb screw until the sliding lens cartridge is released. Then remove the lens housing from the sliding cartridge. It's a little snug. Inside, you will find two washers, a lens, and a spacer. Please note the washers and the spacer look very similar. You can tell the difference because a washer has a metal spring ring on the inside. To reassemble, flip the lens housing upside down. Place the spacer in first, then add one of the washers on top. Holding it in place with your finger, flip the lens housing right side up. Then place the lens dome side up, followed by that last washer. Slide the lens housing back into the sliding lens cartridge. Then slide the entire sliding lens cartridge back into the laser head assembly and tighten the black thumb screw. Then just reconnect the air hose and you're all set. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.